I'm your DoorDash delivery guy here with your Chick-fil-A order. Oh, what's the matter? Oh, it's fine. I've just been trying to film this YouTube video, but I need this package, this really big package, and I thought you were a delivery guy, but I guess not. Oh, are you talking about this, this package? I saw it when I drove up. It says I have been here for 5 hours, if that helps at all.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish.
Okay, I hope you guys all liked my excellent, thank you all very much. Hope you really enjoyed my acting skills. If you know me at all, I have talked about getting one of these for a very, very long time. And really excited to open it up finally. Oh! Woo. So, in the small package, like I said, we were gonna open first. Little hint. Some wrist guards so I do not break open my wrists. Because I've never tried one of these and you could potentially get hurt, especially your wrists. Now I really can't get hurt when riding though. And now for the big package. Guys can't tell, I am super excited. Okay, I haven't actually opened this up yet. I've never actually opened one of these up. This is a huge package. Comes in the original box. That was actually something I was so hoping for. Oh my! Wow. Let's move this to the floor maybe. And maybe you guys can get a better angle. See my lovely face too. You know? Lovely smile. So yep, this is a Onewheel Pint. I gotta say, it's pretty good looking. Maybe not as good looking as me. Oh my, like when people say it's built like a tank, did not expect how sturdy this, oh my, it's heavy. But we were able to get a rental, which it's quite a bit less. We get this for 5 days. And if I really end up liking this this Onewheel, then I may get to keep it. It's like kind of a rental / demo program from Supprints or SU Prints, or once again, not sponsored. Nobody will sponsor me on YouTube. I asked Bauer once upon a time and they said And sorry about the saw noises you may or may not have just heard. I don't know if I'm actually going to keep it in the video. But right now we're remodeling our house. If you haven't checked out the video I made about remodeling our house, then you should check it out. Check it out in the description or right up here if I actually learn how to do that, or if I'm just too lazy, it's going to be in the description. Push back. That's what my friend ignored. He ignored his XR's pushback. And I think there's like quite a few pushbacks, and he ignored every single one and nosedived, face planted, and really messed up his leg. So that is one thing. I guess you learn from your mistakes, and other people also learn from their mistakes, because I learned from his mistake not to ignore the pushback. Onewheel app. Pint. No, I want to get on. I want to get on my board. I want to get on my board. I want to get on my board. I want to skip all the stinking instructions that I just watched. You guys want to see any more tech unboxings like this one kind of? I think I'm a natural, all natural. MKBHD when you see this video, because I know it's gonna be like in the trending pretty soon. We can do one of those whatchamacallits. What are they called again? I'm really having a brain fart right now. I don't know. Well, we have some interrogation questions for you, Mom.
Okay, what's up?
So that Onewheel looks awfully lot like new, pretty much, and I thought it was just a rental. Is it like, dude, is it actually a rental or is it like a really good surprise that I actually get to keep it?
I'm sorry, hon, it's a rental.
You sure?
For now. We'll see. We'll see how you ride it.
How many likes from this video for me to keep it?
1,000.
Wow. And now I'm doing like a TikTok thing and I don't like those TikToks. Okay, on the grass. First ride on the grass. Oh, simple stop is so awesome. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but and this all-terrain tire is awesome. Okay, are you ready? Nope. Ah! Simple stop. Nope. Okay, simple stop. Simple stop. Woo! Look at that simple stop. Thank you, everybody. Oh yes, but I'd like to mention right now. So the reason I got a Onewheel and not any other electric skateboard like Boosted. I know Boosted is now out of business, which is kind of a shocker. I'm kind of sad about that. But is because I need a big tire, something all-terrain, because the bike trail that I live on, which is super nice, right by, it's all gravel. And I contacted all the customer supports before with like Evolve, Boosted board. They all said that you don't want to ride it on gravel. Woo. Mom, I have to say thank you so much for getting me the Onewheel. Greatest birthday present ever.
Oh, you're welcome.
Mom, this is gonna be online, the whole world, live TV. Everybody's gonna see that. Do not be weird. Thank you, Mom. Oh, and you sure we don't get to keep the Onewheel, Mom? Because it looks awfully like they want me to keep it. I'm pretty sure they're like, oh, this is Avery to film. We want this kid.
Let's see how you ride your baseball game tonight.
And Dad, thank you for getting the Onewheel for my birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Very exciting.
I'm glad you got it.
I want to keep it though now. And I'm sorry about making those fat jokes in the video about you.
Oh, it's okay.
Just remember that it's a joke when you watch the video because they are in it, yes. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. It was a lot of fun making this video and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And please let me know how you guys liked the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.